me a wave. Do the bingo wave.
You are sad.
Bingo wave. Come on, just a bingo wave.
I'll tell you what. I will show you the bingo wave.
Both arms. Hurry up.
If
Hurry up.
you turn the camera around and show your bald eagle.
I don't have a bald eagle. Come on, I got a hairy kitty. Hurry.
Is that what you said earlier?
Hurry. Hurry.
Come on.
Do the wave.
How much wax do you use down below?
I don't.
You said
Do the
like
wave.
The carpet. Come on.
Do the wave.
No.
Hurry up.
Show me the hairless kitty.
You're such a pervert. Come on. Do the
No.
wave.
Hairless kitty.
Do the. Will you just do the
You
Walmart
all
wave?
want to see her hairless kitty, right? No, that's not Stacy. Stacy's.
What the hell? Elephant?
Well, who's the one who wants to tie bananas
Gina?
downstairs?
Hope you get well. You're laughing about a dead person. Do the wave. We'll take you to B2. Gina's gonna swallow. Swallow. At least you still can. Come on. Donna. Just do the wave. That is not the wave. That's the We Are the Champion. That's the We Are the Champion. You are not a champion. You're a Walmart waver. Now do it.
No, those are Nazis. Walmart don't wave. We don't smile. We don't wave. We look like this. No,
Wait a minute.
What's that look to get rid of people? What's wrong with you? Come on, let's go to the laundromat.
Do the Walmart
I
wave.
don't want to do the Walmart wave.
You know you want
You
to.
know you can't put this on
Right.
Facebook
Why not?
because it mentions Walmart and they can sue you.
No, I can put it on YouTube.
Hell no, this ends up on that damn white dude show. That gay white dude.
Not gay.
Daniel Tosh.
Can't
Hell no.
this.
Come on. Come on. Do the Walmart wave.
Hi, Tosh.
Go where no man's gone before. Ooh.
Come on.
Okay. I want to talk, carpet muncher.
I want half a carpet muncher.
I'm gonna so be you for Halloween. Arr, 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 arr.
Okay, let's go.
Give me the look. Give me that sexy look. Give me the look. Come on. Do it.
Oh, let's go.
Sexy look.
Hell
Sexy look.
no. I'm going back down.